You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. We stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to you that day. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever.
Zombie? That's like a zombie. Okay guys, we've made it to our Airbnb. We got a projector. Rach is focusing on that now. Compared to the last 2 times we've been here, it's so busy. Uh-oh, I have a smudge. But we're back. Okay, ready? I got these like spicy sun chips. Hershey dipped pretzels. Gummies. Marbles. Coffees. Stella this. And then kimchi mayo.
Crazy. Oh, something kind of crazy.
Whoa. Oh, they gave me Sprite.
I'm looking,
Cutie head.
but if you want to, we could. How about you? Cause I've been, call me baby. I know it's kinda crazy, but if you're down for me, let's don't be so shy, just don't keep me waiting, yeah. Am I the one you're dreaming of? Every day I'm thinking of you. Oh, you, yeah. Got me feeling lucky. Come my way, you lovely, I've been waiting for you for a while. I've been waiting for you. What's the word, what's the word, what's the word, yeah. What's the word, I've been waiting for you. What's the word, what's the word, what's the word, yeah. I'm looking, but if you want to, we could. How about you?
Latte? Oh, these are pretty decent size. Little cookies.
Oh my god, cutie.
Here, Americano. See how these look. Okay. Oh, I think they gave us like some sort of like whipped cream or something on the side too, so we could use that maybe for the eggs. Or no, it's whipped cream. I was hoping maybe it was like butter. It's now Saturday. I am not going to be bringing my camera along today because today is a water bomb festival. So we have our water guns ready.
I am just using this to keep my ID and card and phone in. I'm a little bit nervous because I don't have a case on my phone right now. But yes, we are in a taxi and I will try to show you guys the best that I can without getting my phone soaking wet. First, there's Squid Game.
Why don't you breathe? Do not overthink it, just get your paper. 정상도 사는 건가 보이지는 절대 관계가 없다는 것이 그저 햇볕. 우산을 올려대 야 이게 우리의 스타일이고 난 여기 산다 소리 손을 들어.
So cute. I don't know. So this is going to be a drone show, and then it looks like something's happening over there. Thank you. Okay, are you smart at the video? Yesterday. I have a gift. Here she comes. Love how tan Rachel is and then how white I am.